I am walking in the park. I am walking in the park. I am looking at the trees. I am looking at the trees. The birds are singing above me. The birds are singing above me. The sun is shining warmly. The sun is shining warmly. The children are playing on the grass. The children are playing on the grass. The dogs are running happily. The dogs are running happily. The wind is blowing softly. The wind is blowing softly. The leaves are moving gently. The leaves are moving gently. The people are walking on the path. The people are walking on the path. The flowers are blooming near the bench. The flowers are blooming near the bench. The boy is riding his bike. The boy is riding his bike. The girl is flying a kite. The girl is flying a kite. The old man is sitting on a bench. The old man is sitting on a bench. The woman is reading a book. The woman is reading a book. The baby is sleeping in the stroller. The baby is sleeping in the stroller. The parents are talking quietly. The parents are talking quietly. The ducks are swimming in the pond. The ducks are swimming in the pond. The fish are moving in the water. The fish are moving in the water. The butterflies are flying around the flowers. The butterflies are flying around the flowers. The squirrels are climbing the trees. The squirrels are climbing the trees. I am sitting on the bench. I am sitting on the bench. I am watching the people around me. I am watching the people around me. The children are laughing loudly. The children are laughing loudly. The couple is walking hand in hand. The couple is walking hand in hand. The dog is jumping near the fountain. The dog is jumping near the fountain. The water is falling into the pool. The water is falling into the pool. The sky is looking bright and clear. The sky is looking bright and clear. Everyone is enjoying the fresh air. Everyone is enjoying the fresh air. The park is feeling peaceful today. The park is feeling peaceful today. I am having a lovely time in the park. I am having a lovely time in the park.